This video provides some information on the technical architecture in RadiotherapyGrid and answers the question, how does RadiotherapyGrid enable hospitals to provide faster treatments in a secure way? RadiotherapyGrid offers two services. First, it can suggest treatment plans based on the CT scan. Second, it can verify treatment plans, which is computationally expensive, in a short time. This diagram shows the principal architecture of RadiotherapyGrid and its data flow. The hospital staff access the RadiotherapyGrid service via a web portal. Access to the system is restricted and controlled by policy enforcement and decision points, which monitor incoming requests. The policy enforcement and decision points verify that requests are authentic and that the user is authorized to use the requested service. The application server uses the GridWay middleware to send processing jobs to the grid resources. These resources are automatically contracted from an external provider using the SLA Negotiator component developed by the BEinGRID project. Hospital staff do not need to worry about the amount of computing resources available. They only use the RadiotherapyGrid web portal via a standard internet browser, which allows secure access from anywhere. Data protection is a major issue for hospitals, which deal with highly confidential patient data. RadiotherapyGrid ensures security by using the Policy Enforcement Point, or PEP, to validate all incoming requests. The PEP can call out to the Policy Decision Point, which checks requests against authorizations defined in a policy file. This policy defines which users are allowed to access which services. For example, only hospital administrators can change linear accelerator settings. The PEP software used in RadiotherapyGrid is Vordel's XML Gateway, and the PDP is Axiomatic's Policy Server. These packages were integrated into a complete solution by BT Innovate within the scope of the BEinGRID project. Both the PDP and PEP validate common capabilities identified in the BEinGRID project. In RadiotherapyGrid, the GridWay middleware is used to control the submission of jobs and enables the sharing of multiple resources over administrative domains. To guarantee resources for hospitals, RadiotherapyGrid uses the SLA Negotiator component to automatically contract resources from a grid provider using service-level agreements. The SLA will define various parameters such as the cost per CPU hour and the amount of memory per node. This SLA Negotiator was developed during the BEinGRID project, which identified automatic brokering of SLAs as vital for the uptake of grid computing in business. Thank you for listening. For further information, please visit the Gridipedia website.